Making our way from North Philadelphia to University City, welcome to another episode of Rollin' with Nick, Campus Edition. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at the University of Pennsylvania, also referred to as UPENN. Today we are going to explore this campus to see what all it has to offer, and it's really big, so I'm not sure I'm able to go to every single place, but I'm going to try my best to get as much information so I can share with you all. Thank you so much. It may be raining out here, but the rain does not stop anything but the sun. So without any further ado, let's go ahead. Join me and let's check it out. Hey everyone, so here I am in the Perelman Quadrangle, home to College Hall, the Student Center, Houston Hall, and behind me is the Visitor Center for the undergraduate admissions. All right everyone, so here we are at the Perelman School of Medicine. So it was actually established in 1765 as the nation's first medical school. So that's a very interesting fact. All right, and then here is the Biomedical Library. All right, y'all, so here we are at Williams Hall, which is home to Humanities and Language. All right, y'all, so I am here in front of the Siflin Study Center. It has a great quiet place. You can come, you can study in peace. And if you ever get hungry, there's a Williams Cafe right outside of it. So really, there's no excuses not to study and not be hungry. All right, here is the Undergraduate Admissions Visitor Center. So this is where you go, your undergrad admissions, trying to get accepted, trying to do a tour. This is where you would come, right over here. And it's right next to Williams Hall, which is where I just showed y'all the Siflin Center. So yes. All right, y'all, so behind the Penn Commons, you have the Irvine Auditorium, which had guests like Anderson Cooper, Michelle Obama, and it has student performances right in this historic building, the Irvine Auditorium. Behind me, you have College Hall. Bam. All right, and College Hall was built in 1872, and it actually was the first building on the university's new campus in West Philadelphia. Right by College Hall, you have the Fisher Fine Arts Library. Now, students love this library because it's a really quiet place. You have private study rooms on the upper level, and also you have natural sunlight and all that good stuff. Fisher Fine Arts Library. All right, and then we make our way to the Claudia Cohen Hall. So this is located on the opposite side of the Love Statue, and it is the home of the College of Arts and Sciences, and it actually is the largest of Penn's 4 undergraduate schools, as well as the Admissions Visitor Center. And it offers more than 55 majors, and every student who attends Penn will take at least one course in this college. Whenever your friends tell you to meet you at the button, this is what they're talking about. It's a very common phrase over here at UPenn. And right above it, this is the Van Pelt Library, which is the largest of the Penn libraries. They also have a coffee shop on the ground floor. All right, so in memory of the former Penn student and world-renowned cartoonist Charles Addams, we have the Charles Addams Fine Arts Hall. So this houses student works and studios for fine art students here at UPenn. So this is just the hall and how it looks. All right, everyone, so here we are just walking through Locust Walk, and I'm pretty sure you're going to probably be walking the Locust Walk every single day to classes, to sessions, and all that good stuff. And here is the Wharton Business School at the University of Pennsylvania at John M. Huntsman Hall. So it's a very powerful school. They're constantly changing the way business is done, and it's the business school here at UPenn. Such a cloudy day outside. All right, y'all. So here we are at one of the college houses. This is the Wharton College House. Really tall. And this is one of the 11 college houses that this school has to offer. Then here you have the 1920 Commons. All right, and then here you have Harrison. So these are the 3 high-rise residences out of the 11 that the campus has to offer. You have Harrison here, Harnwell over here, and then we move over here and you have the Rodin. This is the quadrangle. So I am here in front of the quadrangle, which is the largest dormitory here at University of Pennsylvania. Houses over 1,400 students, mainly freshmen, and yeah. All right, everyone. So here I am in front of the Penn Museum here by the University of Pennsylvania. It is free for all students, faculty, and staff. So if you go here, just come along and check it out. All right, y'all. So over here is the Franklin Field, which is a 3-minute walk from Penn Museum. From Penn Museum, right? I think that's what it's called. Yeah, from Penn Museum. And then also around here you have Penn Park. So it's a lot of areas around here in Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a really tight city and a lot of places you can literally walk to. So yeah. All right, y'all, so that wraps up our journey here in Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another episode with me, Nicholas Ramsey. And I hope that I was able to answer any questions that you may have had. But as always, I say it's so much better to come in person because you get that experience. But if not, I hope that this video was able to help you. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content, and please let me know where you want to see me tour to. But until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you later. Now behind me you have College Hall. Now College Hall was built in 1870. Alright, now behind me you have College Hall. Now College Hall was built in 1872 and it was the first building on the Philadelphia's, no.